The 2027 Nissan Frontier won't wow everybody with an all-new design because there isn't one coming. The 2027 Frontier will be a carryover model with the real redesign not expected until the first half of 2028, according to Automotive News. But here's what's fascinating about this situation. While everyone's waiting for the next big thing, the current Frontier might actually be doing something more valuable than chasing trends. It's proving that sometimes the best approach is sticking with what works. Let me walk you through what we actually know about the 2027 Nissan Frontier, why it's staying the course, and whether that's actually a brilliant strategy in today's overcomplicated truck market. The current third-generation Frontier has quite a story. When Nissan unveiled it on February 4, 2021, it replaced a truck that had been in production for an almost unbelievable 17 years. The second-generation D40 Frontier ran from 2005 all the way to 2021, and that's nearly 2 decades of the same basic truck. You might think that would make customers flee to newer options, but something interesting happened instead. Late in the D40's life cycle, Nissan gave it a serious heart transplant. They dropped in a powerful 310 horsepower 3.8-liter V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This wasn't just a mild refresh, it was a complete powertrain overhaul that transformed the truck's capabilities. When the current generation finally arrived in 2022, Nissan made a smart decision. Instead of messing with success, they carried over that proven 3.8-liter V6 and 9-speed automatic combination. The result? A truck that produces 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, with towing capacity up to 7,150 pounds when properly equipped. The 2027 model will continue with this exact same powertrain setup. Some might call this conservative, but consider the alternative. While competitors have been chasing turbocharged engines, air ride suspension, and massive touchscreens with haptic controls, Nissan has been perfecting a formula that actually works for truck buyers. Let's talk about what makes the Frontier unique in today's market. Along with the Toyota Tacoma, it's one of only 2 midsize pickups that still offers customers a choice between an extended king cab or a 4-door crew cab. You can also choose your bed length, with the crew cab coming with either a standard bed just under 5 feet or an optional 6-foot 1-inch bed that comes standard on the king cab. This flexibility matters more than you might think. Not everyone needs or wants a crew cab, and having options means Nissan can serve different types of customers without forcing them into configurations they don't need. The pricing strategy for the current Frontier, which will likely carry forward to 2027, ranges between $33,845 and $43,565 including destination. The 2026 King Cab starts at $33,895. In a market where truck prices have been climbing steadily, these numbers represent genuine value, especially considering what you get. Fuel economy comes in at an estimated 19 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. These aren't class-leading numbers, but they're respectable for a naturally aspirated V6, and many customers prefer the simplicity and reliability of this approach over more complex turbocharged alternatives. The Frontier's reputation for reliability has become one of its strongest selling points. RepairPal gives it a 4 out of 5 reliability rating and ranks it 2nd out of 8 among mid-size trucks. Even more impressive, J.D. Power recognized the Nissan Frontier as the most reliable model in the mid-size pickup segment in their 2021 U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study. This reliability reputation isn't accidental. It's built on decades of learning from that extraordinarily long-running second generation. When you keep the same basic platform for 17 years, you learn everything there is to know about making it bulletproof. The off-road story deserves special attention. The Frontier PRO 4X isn't trying to be a Raptor or a TRD Pro, and that's exactly why it works. It comes with Bilstein shocks, all-terrain tires, an electronic locking rear differential, and skid plates to protect key underbody components. The approach is practical rather than flashy. One automotive journalist captured this perfectly, calling the 2026 Frontier Pro 4X the antidote to over-engineered off-road pickups. While other manufacturers have been adding complexity, Nissan has been refining simplicity. The truck is trail-ready right off the showroom floor with enough built-in capability to handle challenging terrain without needing an engineering degree to operate. For 2026, Nissan did make some meaningful updates that will likely carry forward to the 2027 model. They added a dark armor package and a drive mode selector, gave base models LED headlights, and introduced an all-weather package for the SV trim. Most notably, they partnered with Rush Performance for the PRO 4 XR Special Edition, which includes titanium finished wheels, Hankook all-terrain tires, and a complete Rush Performance X-Olin suspension system that lifts the truck 2 inches. These updates show Nissan's strategy, incremental improvements rather than wholesale changes. It's the automotive equivalent of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The market seems to be responding positively. While overall sales saw a slight 4.3% decrease to 65,232 units in 2025, quarterly numbers tell a different story. Third quarter sales were up 19.2% year over year, and fourth quarter sales jumped 26.7%. These numbers suggest the Frontier is finding its audience among buyers who appreciate its straightforward approach. Industry recognition has followed. The Frontier won Cars.com's Best Value of 2025 Midsize Pickup Award and received a Best Buy Award for the second year in a row. Perhaps most endearingly, it was named the coolest thing made in Mississippi for winning the 2025 Mississippi Makers Challenge, recognizing its production at Nissan's Canton, Mississippi assembly plant. But let's address the elephant in the room. Why is Nissan waiting until 2028 for a full redesign? The answer likely has as much to do with corporate strategy as product development. Nissan has been working through significant financial challenges, reporting a 90% drop in operating profit in the first half of fiscal year 2024. The company has been implementing its Nissan recovery plan, which includes closing plants, eliminating 9,000 jobs, and optimizing non-core assets. In this context, keeping a successful product unchanged while focusing resources elsewhere makes perfect business sense. The current Frontier is profitable, reliable, and competitive. Why spend billions on a redesign when you can invest those resources in areas that need more attention? There's also a philosophical argument here about what trucks should be. One enthusiast put it perfectly: I want a truck to do truck stuff. While competitors chase ever more sophisticated technology and luxury features, maybe there's wisdom in sticking with proven fundamentals. The timing of the eventual redesign is interesting too. By waiting until 2028, Nissan will have a clearer picture of where the midsize truck market is heading. Will electrification become mandatory? Will customers embrace hybrid powertrains? Will the current complexity trend reverse as buyers seek simpler solutions? A 2028 redesign allows Nissan to make these decisions based on real market data rather than speculation. So what does this mean for someone considering a 2027 Frontier? You're getting a truck with a known quantity, a proven powertrain, established reliability, competitive capability, and honest pricing. You're not getting the latest technology or the most sophisticated features, but you're getting something that works. The 2027 Nissan Frontier represents continuity in an industry obsessed with constant change. Sometimes the most revolutionary thing you can do is refuse to revolutionize. While everyone else zigs toward complexity, Nissan is zagging toward simplicity. And based on recent sales trends and customer satisfaction scores, that strategy might be exactly what the market needs. The real test will come when that 2028 redesign finally arrives. Will Nissan maintain this philosophy of practical capability, or will they chase the industry toward overcomplication? For now, the 2027 Frontier stands as potentially the last of its kind, a straightforward, honest truck in an increasingly complex world.